Hey guys, Sweetness here. I'm back with another video. So I'm going to be doing crochet braids. Now if you're wondering why my head is looking like this, that is only because these braids were done from a week ago and now I found the time to do my crochet braids, okay? So they're looking kind of like rugged. There's no way I'm taking all this out just to do fresh braids because they're still pretty tight. I left out a bit too much actually for my baby hairs, but it'll have to do. I'll find a way to brush them in, so that's why it's looking like a mess. Anyways, so make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and comment down below. Hit the subscribe button and I'll be showing you what type of crochet braids I'll be using. I am going to be using the Crochet brand, and this is OT27, so it has a mix of blonde in it, and the curl I'll be using is beach curl. I picked up 5 packs, 4 of 1B, 1 pack of the blonde because I'm not trying to put too much in. I wanted my part here, but it's not connected. I want my part to be in here, so I'm going to sew these two together, so we forgot to do that. I'm gonna start anyways and get going. Okay guys, so anytime that you do the Y braids and you feel that it's not, the part that you want is not where it needs to be, just grab a needle and thread, which I'm about to do, and sew that part. That's how it should be looking right now. The curls are pretty nice and they're soft. Look at it. It's a nice curl pattern. Getting pretty full now, and it's looking pretty good. What I will be showing you is how I've been putting it in. I've been doing 3 knots. I tried 2 knots and I feel like it was loosening out. 2 knots doesn't work. 3 knots with this hair works. I was trying to do a double knot. That was just too much for this type of curl, so I'm sticking with 3 knots. I find that the knots lie down better underneath your braid so it doesn't stick up. Stick it up. I like to hold the hair on my finger like that, so it makes it more easier for you when you're in the back. You don't literally have to see, because sometimes you'd be like, oh, so how do I crochet the back of my head? You don't really need to. You just graze the needle onto your finger. As you can see, the needle is open. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to graze it against my finger. I'm lazy, so what I do is that I kind of like slide it, because the latch is already open, as you can see, so I don't really need to close it. It closes on its own. I open it, take the needle out, and I do 1, I do 2, and I do 3. And then I just pull. I kind of like twist and turn and pull at the same time so it's secured, and then I let go. So you get this tight knot right there, if you guys could see. Where my part is going to be, I'm going to be doing the invisible part. You're going to be taking your crochet needle. Instead of going this direction, we're going to go this direction to the right. And the reason that you're going to the right is because you want the hair to be falling this way over your braid, so you can't see your braid or the bumps whatsoever. So I'm going to start like that. So what you're going to be doing, you're going to be leaving one. You're going to take the other one and you're going to put it through the hole. You're going to turn, put it through the hole again, twist for the 3rd time, pull, and then what you're going to do, you're going to take both ends and then you're going to pull. Once it creates that knot, you bring it over. And there you go. It goes right over just like that. And then we're gonna finish that side, doing the same thing, finish it off. Hey guys, so I'm finished my crochet braids. Once again, this is beach curl, and I feel like I'm ready for the beach, to be honest. Tell you the truth, I bought 4 packs of 1B and 1 pack of the mixed blonde, as you can see. To be honest, I used 5-6 pieces out of the 5th pack, so you can judge by how mine is looking right now. Let's do a quick turn. If you want yours to be bigger, then I would say stick with 4 packs instead of getting 5 packs. This is like awesome for me. It's good enough. Right now, it's just 1 length. And I'm not liking the 1 length, so I'm going to be cutting it. Now, what I'm going to be doing is, as you can see, I just did a little bit of baby hair, so it's going on, popping off a little bit. So what I'm going to be doing, I want to be able to wear it in my face. If it falls in my face, I won't be freaking out. So I'm looking to do a shortcut bang in my face. So I'm gonna I'll start from here. Now what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be doing a motion like you're gonna be grazing it. I'm gonna call it graze. Okay, just take your time. There's no need to rush. Just cut. Once you cut, actually, but you can still crochet in pieces, but I already done off my blunt pieces already, so I'm gonna have to take the time, yes? So you just keep grazing the type of style you want. So yeah, I want it to fall on my face. If it falls on my face, you know, I'm cool. But hubby doesn't like, you know, when it's blocking my eyes or all up in my eyelashes. Which I don't have on eyelashes right now, but so you want, when you're cutting in layers, you want to make sure that it's blending. You don't want it to look choppy. You know what I mean? So make sure that it's like flowing together, and you keep sharing down. Okay, guys. But this side, I'm gonna start my layering around here. So you just want to like take a look at it and see, like, you know, what's happening. So there's a chunk that's going on here, so I want to start the same way here. So you want to lightly do it. Okay. Alright, so I think I am finished, and I'm pretty excited about this curl. I love this curl. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Yeah, I'm feeling this curl. So this is going to be my new do for the next maybe 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because Caravan is coming up and I'm going to be doing something else. And I'm going to be making my own costume, so you guys stay tuned for that. I will be showing what I'm going to be making. It's going to be something simple this year. Last year I did a back piece, but this year I'm not going to be doing a back piece. And I'll explain more in the video when that comes up. So let me know what you guys think about this hair, this beach curl. I don't know why I keep thinking like ocean wave. It looks like ocean, like I'm ready for it's the same thing, ocean, beach curl, same damn thing. Anyways, let me know if you guys like it. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, because I'll be posting some more. I'm going to be getting some more crochets and working with it. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe once again, so you can support your girl. I'm going to post more because I've been slacking. Yes, I have. And yes, I love you guys. I thank you for the support. And I'll try to get to the comments. You guys so much. And I'll see you in my next video.